In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom symbols on MT5. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to access the symbols window. There are a couple of ways to do this to suit your preference. You can press Ctrl+U on your keyboard, which is a nifty shortcut that immediately brings up the symbols window. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers navigating with your mouse, you can find the symbols window by simply clicking on View in the top menu, then selecting Symbols from the drop-down menu. Whichever method you choose will achieve the same result, so go with what feels most comfortable to you. Now that the symbols window is open, the next step is to create a new custom symbol. You'll see a list of various folders on the left side of this window. Look for the folder labeled Custom. This is where all your new symbols will live. Click on it to ensure you're in the right section before proceeding to create your own. Once you've clicked into the custom folder, the next button you'll want to press is Create Custom Symbol. This is usually visible once the custom folder is highlighted. Upon clicking this option, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information about the new symbol you're about to create. First, you'll need to give your new symbol a name. This is a crucial step, and the name should be something that clearly identifies the symbol. It could be something like MyIndex if you're creating a custom index, or BTC Synth for a synthetic Bitcoin symbol. The choice is yours. Just make sure it's something you can easily remember and associate with the symbol's purpose. Here's a little tip to simplify the process. It's highly recommended to copy settings from an existing symbol. This approach can significantly streamline the setup since copying ensures you're using a tried and tested configuration for base attributes like formatting and display. Once you've selected an existing symbol to copy from, the system will automatically populate your custom symbol with these settings, saving you a bit of time and reducing the potential for error. Finally, after you've entered the name and copied the existing settings, all that's left to do is click OK. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom symbol in MT5. I hope you found this video helpful. Creating custom symbols can really tailor your MT5 experience to your personal trading style or data tracking needs. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.